Hello, so this is Roshni More, and the today's topic name is the marijuana and where it is legal in India. So basically, now we are first going to understand the meaning of marijuana and its legal status in India, and also we are going to see about how it is legally in the worldwide, like in foreign countries. Historical background of marijuana in India. As we all know that marijuana has a long history in India dating back thousands of years. It has been used for the various purposes including religious, medical and recreational uses, which means that it is not in founded in today's time. In the thousands of years back, the marijuana was present in the India, and marijuana is a kind of a plant like that. In ancient texts like the Vedas, marijuana is mentioned as a sacred plant, and it is associated with the Hindu god Shiva. It has been used in a religious rituals, and it is a aid of meditation. The medical Now we are going to see the medical benefits for the uses of marijuana and uses of marijuana. Marijuana has been used for the medical purpose for the centuries. It has been found to have a potential benefits for various medical conditions and symptoms. Medical marijuana is commonly used in the alleviate chronic pain, reduce nausea and vomiting in cancer patients undergoing chemotherapy, and stimulate appetite in individuals with HIV and AIDS. It may also be beneficial in managing symptoms like multiple sclerosis and certain mental health and disorder. For legal status of marijuana in India is marijuana is currently illegal for recreational use in India. That we know. The Narcotic Drugs and Psychotropic Substance Act of 1985 prohibits the production, sale, and possession of marijuana. However, the legality of marijuana for medical and research purpose has been evolving. In 2018, the Indian government legalized the medical use of marijuana, allowing to be used in certain cases with the appropriate permission and regulation. Marijuana legalization expressed concern about potential negativity effects on the public health, increase among youth, and impaired conjunctivity like function. Especially if it was considered as a illegal. Why? Because it uses as a drugs. It creates a negative impact on the public health. Countries like Canada, Uruguay, or some parts of United States have legalized marijuana for recreational purpose. Meanwhile, many other countries have legalized medical uses, including various European countries, Australia, and certain states of USA. Advocates argue that legalization can help regulate the market, generate the tax revenue, and reduce the burden of criminal justice in system. That is, advocates are arguing on the topic that marijuana should be legalized because of marijuana our economic status can be developed very well. A growth marijuana, known for the THC and CBD compounds, remains a complex subject in India under the NDPC Act 1985. While NDPS Act generally prohibits production, possession, and sale, exhibition exist. Some states permit industrial cannabis cultivation and cultural religious practice have limited exemption. Understanding the legal nuisances and religious variation is crucial for navigating the landscape marijuana within India. From this, we understand